How to add Apple logo in Instagram name or bio. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the edit profile option. Here, tap on your name text box, and now if you tap on the emoji keyboard, you will not see the Apple emoji anywhere. So go back and tap open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Apple emoji. You will then be able to see various Apple emoji there. Simply go ahead and open any of the links shown there and further copy the Apple emoji by simply long pressing on the Apple emoji. Then tap on the copy option and now go ahead and open Instagram again and then tap on your name text box and then paste the Apple emoji on your name or on your bio. And with this, as you can see, Apple logo is now appeared on my Instagram name as well as on my Instagram bio. So this is how you can add Apple logo in Instagram name or bio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.